Do you feel like you're always racing the clock to post your Instagram Reels? Or maybe you're wondering if you're posting at the right time. Don't worry. In this video, we're giving you the ultimate guide to scheduling Instagram Reels, your cheat code to boost engagement and save time. Let's get started. First things first, why should you even bother scheduling your Reels? Well, did you know that posting at the perfect time can skyrocket your reach? Let me drop some insider timing tips for you, based on a social pilot study that analyzed 50,000 Instagram accounts. Here are the golden hours for posting your Reels in EST. Monday, 6 a.m. and 10 p.m. Tuesday, 3 a.m., 4 a.m., and 9 a.m. Wednesday, 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. And the list goes on. But let's be real, nobody has time to set alarms for every post. That's where scheduling steps in and saves the day. Scheduling your Reels ensures they go live when your audience is scrolling, whether you're working, sleeping, or binge-watching your favorite show. Think of it as having a digital assistant that works around the clock. Now, how do you schedule a Reel? Let's start with Meta Business Suite, your free, all-in-one tool for Instagram and Facebook management. Here's how it works. Upload your Reel. Choose your audience. Set the date and time. And just like that, scheduled. It's simple, efficient, and free. Not loving Meta Business Suite? Don't worry. Tools like Buffer, Later, and Hootsuite bring extra features like analytics and cross-platform posting. Stick around, we'll reveal the top 4 scheduling apps at the end of this video. So, why should you care about scheduling? Here's what you gain. Consistency that keeps your followers engaged. The ability to reach a global audience across time zones. Freedom from last-minute posting stress. Insights into what content performs best, so you can level up your strategy. Whether you're a creator, a brand, or a business owner, scheduling Reels is your secret weapon for efficiency and impact. Imagine this: more engagement, less stress, and way more time to focus on your big-picture goals. Ready to revolutionize your Instagram strategy? Hit that like button, subscribe to SEOCurrent, and turn on the notifications. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Oh, and tell us in the comments, which scheduling app are you excited to try? We'll see you in the next video.